up guys, I'll be showing you how to so guys, I'll be showing you my Clash of Clans. I'm training 11 balloons, so let's see. Troops to an above. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is attack my enemy's base. We have one. Here's my enemy. It's Alan, Ramiro. Level 1 base, Brazil team. And here I am with a Dragon Warrior. Copy to I get stronger now, and I have my second account, but here it is, Adrian. So let's use it. So it's now offline, cause he's not off. He's now offline, but we're gonna start our attack. 145. I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna attack. You can be so let's so guys, now I'm gonna find some opponents. Easy peasy.
Full na.
So i-charge.
Lobat. Palobat mo yun.
Suckers. Now I'm gonna attack. I put 16 giants, so let's go for it. Now let's wait. Waiting is wait. Waiting is wait. Wait. Waiting is wait. In real life, waiting is wait for true life. Waiting is wait. Waiting is wait. You'll have to wait because you're just a waiter. Waiter. If you want to do like more videos, please download Xmod Games and please leave a like. Okay, Clan Caracas, you're going down. Okay, so let's see what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to normal. Okay, come on, giants, archers. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like my video.